Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This is Tony FS. Welcome back to Tony FS. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can create your own Forex robots. Yes, how you can create your own Forex robots. Because there are a lot of people out there, they don't have time to trade because they're usually busy with one or two things. So how will such people be able to make money on the Forex market when they don't have time to trade? That is where Forex robot comes into play. With Forex robots, you can activate your robot to be trading for you while you are not there. You can give your robots the formula or the condition that it needs to be able to execute trade on your behalf, and this will make you money while you are not available. Speaking from experience, I've made tons of thousands of dollars using Forex robots. So today I'm going to show you guys how you can create your own Forex robot from scratch. You don't need to know any programming code. You don't need to be a master of CSS. You don't even need to use your keyboard. So you are going to create a free Forex robot. Everything we're going to be doing today is going to be for free. You're not paying anything. Yes, so that's the purpose of this video today. I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can create a free Forex robot. You don't need to know don't need to have programming knowledge or coding knowledge. Now, without wasting much time, let's dive into it. For our Forex robots, we're going to be using this strategy: EMA strategy, moving average strategy, EMA 5 and EMA 15. EMA crossovers is one of the simple scalping trading strategy for beginners. Yes, because with the help of the EMA crossovers, you'll be able to identify the buy and sell in the markets. We'll be able to identify the buy and sell in the market when the 5 EMA is considered as fast moving average and 15 EMA is considered as slow moving average. That is what we're going to be using in this strategy. With the crossover of these two EMA, we'll be able to find trading signal. We'll be able to find a perfect entry. Yes, so now how do we set up our signal? Like you already know, we need two indicators, which are the moving average, 5 moving average and 15 moving average, and it must be exponential moving average, that is EMA, exponential moving average. Now this is the buying rules. You want to buy, you want your 5 EMA to cross above the 15 EMA, and you want once the 5 EMA crosses above the 15 EMA, it means the market is in an uptrend. That's an indicator, that's a signal to buy. Now when these two moving average crosses successfully, then you buy. In other ways, if you want to sell, or the other way around, if you want to sell, you want the 15 EMA to cross below. You want the 5 EMA to cross below the 15 EMA, pointing a downward direction. Then you sell. So these are what we are going to be imputing to our Forex robots. These are the formulas or the conditions we're going to give our Forex robot in order for him to execute a trade while we are not there. Now, this strategy can be used on any currency pairs, and the time frames must be 5 minutes, 15 minutes, or 30 minutes time frame. 5 minutes, 15 minutes, or 30 minutes time frame, and it can be used on any currency pair. Now, without wasting much time, let's start trading. Let's start creating our robots. Now, this is the favorite site that we love to use, fsdreamer.com. That is what we use to create our robots. Now, if you are here at fsdreamer.com, you want to click on tick. On tick, you see this is the robot that we just created. So I'm going to remove all these robots. This one as well. Our chart is clean. I want to start creating our robot. First thing first, I want to go to trade, check trade and other counts. We click on it and drag it to our window. Well, with this no trade, we are telling the robot that before you execute any trade, make sure you don't have any trade running before executing a trade. Yes, make sure you don't have any trade running before executing a trade. And the next thing is the time. How many times would you like to be placing trade a day? Let's just say once per day. With hold and drag once per day. And you connect it to the first one using this orange button. Connect it like this. So we're telling the robot that you trade once per day, not 5 times or 20 times, but once per day. Now, time for us to input our conditions and formula. We'll click and hold on the condition and drag it to the window or to the charts. Then we connect it just like this. Then you double click on the condition for us to be able to set our conditions. You double click on it, and this window will appear. Now, the first one is telling you that what would you like to use? Is it indicators, candlestick patterns, or any other pattern? But for this video, we're using indicator. Now, which indicator are we using? Moving average, MACD, or fractals? But for this video, we're using the moving average. Now, the period is 5, shift is 0, method is exponential. Apply to close. And as for the other side, we're using moving average also. Period is 15, shift is 0, method is exponential, and apply to close. Now, the crossover, we want okay, we want for us to get our buy entry, the 5, which is the 5 EMA must crosses above the 15 EMA, which is this one will cross above. Then we click on this, cross above the 15 EMA, then we update. Now, we also need to create another conditions here. So we hold and drag another condition, then we connect it also. Just what we did to the first one, we're also going to do it to the second one, but there will be a slight difference. Method is exponential, period is 5, shift is 0, apply to close. Period is 15, method is exponential, apply to close. Now, this is for the sell. For us to sell, the 5 moving average must crosses the 15 moving average, moving downward, or must crosses below the 15 moving average. This one means below, this one means above. So, but this is sell, which means below. We're picking this one that shows below. Then we update. Good. I will set our two conditions for buy and sell. Now let's bring in our buy button and our sell button. This is buy. Double click on it to set it, to arrange the settings. Now, how much volume or lot size would you like to be trading per day? How much would you like to be trading per day? I would say 0.4. Then we need to set our stop loss also. We need to let the robot know how to execute our stop loss. How much stop loss or how much money would you like to risk for a trade? I will say, okay, let's say it's 20 pips. Once the market go against us, in 20 pips, we want to close the market, close the trade, and get out of the market. And our take profit will be 1 to 2 ratios. So if we're risking $20, we should be able to make $40. So let's go for 60 pips. Then we update. Good. Now our sell order. Click on it, and we also have to going to do the same thing. Our sell order 0.4. Our lot size, our stop loss will be set at 20 pips, being it buy or sell. Take profit will be at 60 pips. Then we update. Good. Congratulations to you guys out there. Those of you watching this video, you have successfully created Forex robots. We have successfully created the Forex robots. Now, next thing that we need to do is to rename a robot. What are we going to name it to? Let's say Forex. Um, you have successfully created a Forex robot. Guys, so this is how you create your Forex robot. Now, next thing we need to do is to download our Forex robot. Take note, we're using this Forex robot on MetaTrader 4. So we download MQ4, which is MetaTrader 4. We download the file. Good. We have successfully downloaded our MetaTrader 4, uh, our Forex robot for MetaTrader 4. This is how it looks like. So guys, this is how we create Forex robots. This is how we create our Forex robots. If you enjoyed this video, if you like this video, or if this video has been meaningfully to you, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video and share this video so that it can be useful to others out there. On our next video, now that we've downloaded our Forex robots, how do we install our Forex robot on MetaTrader 4? On our next video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how we can install our MetaTrader 4 on our Forex robots on our MetaTrader 4, and we can start using it to make money. So make sure you subscribe, and if I can be the first to be updated when I upload a new video on how we can install our Forex robots on MetaTrader 4. Alright, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye for now.